In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in HiPaint. Now to do this, you want to go to the top right and tap on the wrench button, and then from here, as you can see, the fourth option is going to be a plus button inside a circle. So tap on that, and from here, there's a few different options. You can go towards the bottom and tap on this text tool down here, so just tap on that, and there we go, it's going to pop up some text. Now this is a premium feature, as you were able to see, so you may have to watch an ad to actually get it, or you may also have to subscribe if you want to as well, so we can use it infinitely. Now here I'm just going to type in, for example, hello, and as you can see, I can now resize this. I can tap on this button at the bottom and I can go and change it. So here I can go and change things like fonts over here. I could go and change things like size, character spacing, etc. There's a bunch of different things you can do, and of course the styling as well. Okay, so that's how to add text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.